Leo bounced on his toes, his heart thumping with excitement. Tonight was Halloween. Orange and black decorations covered every house on Elm Street. Spiders, bats, and friendly ghosts hung from trees. Leo ran to his room. "Time to put on my costume," he cheered. He was going to be a brave knight. He slipped into his shiny silver armor, made of cardboard and tin foil. A plastic sword hung at his side. "Perfect," he whispered, looking in the mirror. He grabbed his pumpkin-shaped trick, or treat bucket. The sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of purple and orange. Leo stepped out onto his porch. Suddenly, a wobbly, see-through shape floated nearby. It was small and shimmered with a soft, friendly glow. "Hello," chirped the little ghost. "My name is Glimmer. Are you ready for candy?" Leo gasped, but then he smiled. Glimmer didn't look scary at all. Leo," he said. "Yes, I am." Glimmer floated ahead, guiding Leo down the sidewalk. "I know all the best houses," he whispered excitedly. Their first stop was a house with glowing jack-o'-lanterns. Leo rang the doorbell, his bucket ready. "Trick or treat," he shouted. A kind lady dropped a big chocolate bar into his bucket. "Wow!" As they walked, Leo accidentally tripped. His bucket wobbled, and a candy corn fell out. "Oh no," Leo cried. But Glimmer quickly swooped down. With a tiny gust, the candy corn floated back into the bucket. "Thanks, Glimmer," Leo laughed. They continued their adventure, laughing and collecting more treats. The streets were filled with witches, monsters, and superheroes, all giggling and holding full bags. Glimmer winked. "Follow me. Tree's one more secret house with super big treats." They floated past tall bushes to a hidden pathway. At the end was a spooky but friendly-looking house. The lady at the door gave Leo a giant gummy bear. "This is the best Halloween ever," Leo cheered. Leo said goodbye to Glimmer, promising to tell him all about next Halloween. He went home to sort his amazing candy.